Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Okay, welcome back to my video. And this time I will offer product skincare. Right? Okay. First, I will introduce. My name is Nanna Megiana from class C afternoon. My skincare product. Okay. Before being trans first before uses package can be screened according to the variant's profit. Especially for pregnant women, most considered parts because there are packages that cannot be made for pregnant women and breastfeeding. Mysa Skincare is a skincare product that prioritizes product quality and certification for it is assured. Mysa's clinic formulation product has obtained BPO. Its need permission with so many skincare products in Indonesia. Because you definitely want to get safe and BPO. Skincare, BPO, Fit Glow, BPO, BPO, my guys. Complete facial treatment. Myself is an original Indonesian skincare product that is trending. BPO registered product. Myself skincare has repeat permission from the Tom James and is safe to us. Clinical tested and registered with the palm acne. Uh, Skin problems that can be solved by Mysa Skincare. Um, Reduce premature aging, black spot or on face, breathing that fat shrink porous, heat exploded, dead skin. Safe for skin. Mysa Skincare by presenting products that have used clinical trials and BPO and halal ya guys, uh, certificate and halal and certificate from MUI, so you don't have to hesitate anymore. Mother of great material, Mysa Skincare very easy to apply to Asian skin, absorb quickly, particle affordable, rich in it is fast. Okay, Mysa and one once fit glowing. Next, toner. Next, Diane. Next, BBN. Okay. Um, BBN and West and okay. Next, um, but here and 5 item. 3 are 5 item. Okay. So, um, sonar and tap tap. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, next. Next, cream dye end. Okay. Okay. Uh, wait. 1 minute. Wait 1 minute, guys. Well, wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Next, baby cream. Application. Baby cream. Okay. Baby cream. Okay. Finish. Going, guys. Okay. Okay, finish. Going, guys. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.